teman-teman. So we're gonna be turning into an Indonesian farmer. I got my hat ready. I got my boots ready, and we're gonna be going ambil some nasi.
Jagung.
Oh, it's jagung. Whoops. So yeah, look at my foot. I am ready to start farming. A lot of people laugh at me saying that the videos I make are really weird. But the reason why I'm making these types of videos... Alright, hold on. The reason why I'm making these type of videos is because I want to experience these hard-working Indonesians' life. I want to see how they live every day. Because people literally live off of these type of things. Alright guys, so we're almost there now. And I was walking by. And when I was walking by, I was like, what is this net? Look at that. This is what they use to fish ikan. I think maybe in the ocean. Like those munching farmers. Like, you know those ones? Oh my god. I just heard a dog. I don't like dogs. Let's go. We're experiencing the real rural Indonesia right now. Look. This is like a farmhouse maybe?
They're farming ducks.
Duck? Can I go there or they have dogs?
No, they don't have dogs. You can go there.
So I heard a dog. Alright, let's go check out. They have ducks? Oh, yeah. Oh, there's someone here. Can I record them or no? There's already a duck over there. Wait, are they gonna let out the ducks? Oh my god. There's goats. There's goats? What else? More goats? Oh, there's a cow. This is some... Huh? Yeah. That's some real rural... Are they not gonna jump on me? Oh my god. They're staring at me like, who's this Bule? This is some real rural type of thing. Wow. They're gonna be eating them during Eid. Oh wow. That's a big one. Wow. Where's the baby goat? That's a baby? Oh. Oh, this baby goat. Oh, it looks like it just gave birth.
Yeah. Still have a thing.
Oh wow. Yeah. You got your farmer hat too. So, what do they do with these goats? Huh?
No, they raise it and then during Eid they slaughter it.
Can you find me? Okay, oh, the ducks are coming. Oh, is it gonna... Wow. Alright, well, let's go. What is he doing, babe?
He's feeding it.
He's feeding them. Makan mo, everyone wants to makan bad. Alright guys, oh, I think it's about to hujan. It's a little misty. Hope not. Anyway, so let's see this rice field thing I'm talking about. The guy was feeding his chickens. Wow, okay, so I think, where's the field? Oh, sugar cane. Oh, here's the little farm.
Sugar cane, and then next to it is the thing for cigarette, the leaves for cigarette.
Oh, for cigarette. Yeah. One of the best businesses in Indonesia are actually cigarettes, because almost everyone, almost every guy except my husband, alhamdulillah, are smoking. Every man you meet, they're all smoking. It's so hard.
This grass is for the goat and the sheep and the cow.
So yeah, they use this grass for the cows, the sheep, the goats, everything. But yeah, what I was saying is that most men here smoke because the cigarettes are only like $1. It's really cheap. And basically they can afford it. They make it affordable on purpose. But anyway, look at this, guys. We're going through a little jungle. Wow. Hey, don't leave me here, bro. Oh, wow. These are sugar cane right here. Whoa. Wait, there's juice in here? In this thing? Let me show you guys the lettuce, or what is it? Leaf for cigarettes. Oh, it's raining. And look at that. Wait, this big one? Or the
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's over like this big. Like
Oh, wow. Guys, so we're almost at the field. And I'm going to show you guys how they're harvesting corn over here. That's where we're going to be going over there, following that path. But let me show you guys. I'm going to show you guys how they harvest. Oh, a nice bike. This is the corn, right? Look at this. They loaded up the moped with corn.
that's the tree for cows.
Huh?
They're feeding the tree to the cow.
Oh, the tree. That's the tree. Oh. Alright, let's go to the corn. There's people already harvesting. That's his friends or what?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not going to record this part because I don't want to fall. It's really thin. Guys, this is so funny. But ever since I came here, I see farmers using that thing and I want to use it. Actually, I can't use it, but I'm just going to hold it. How do you... So you like press it?
Yeah, so if you press it, you turn.
Oh,
Turn left and right, and then that's the pedal, is the gas to go.
wow, that's
Yeah.
cool. Okay. So, okay, so we are now finally here. And look, this is what they harvested, the corn.
So this-
Jagung.
Yeah, so this corn is for seeding. It's
Oh.
not to eat.
Oh, cause that's why it's small?
Yeah, we're gonna replant it, and then think that the corn that comes out of this one is gonna be a bigger one, a Bismillah.
Oh. Okay, so we're gonna grab some kind of, I don't know, some kind of cherry, Indonesian cherry. What? Where is it?
This.
Oh. All right.
Well, find a yellow one or a big one.
Oh.
Oh, that one. That one's yellow one. That one's ready. That.
What?
This. You see this yellow? Yeah.
Oh. All right. Let's mamakan. Bismillah.
We call it cipluan.
Some kind of Indonesian cherry. Is it okay to eat?
Yeah.
Whoa. Mmm. This tastes good. Wait, I see it now. Mmm. This is not cherry, this is tomato.
Well, some people call it mini tomato. Some people call it cherry.
10 out of 10. What the heck? Whoops, it's not ready to harvest. Wow, this is pretty good. What is this called?
Cipluan.
Chipluan?
Yeah.
Enak. Okay, so we got a little bit, but they're not ready yet. They're still green. But there is a fat one over here. Look. Oh, that's big and juicy. Besar. Wow. Put in my little hat. Big and juicy. Oh, yeah. There's some more. Alright, we got it. Guys, I was harvesting this. Look, it's almost filled. Wait. It's filled to the almost to the brim. I'm gonna keep harvesting. Swami's also harvesting over there. Oh, I see a lot. Here, look. Chiplukan. See if I'm fit for farmer life. What the heck? How's he carrying this? So we're walking to the field where we're gonna harvest, and literally, what the heck, guys? You could just fall. Yeah. And of course they managed to throw trash in there. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know why Indonesians have this problem where they're throwing trash in the waters. It's very common here, and it's just sad because Indonesia is such a beautiful country. You know, why you gotta ruin it? Hey guys, look at this. I think this is for eating or what?
No, this is all seedling, I think. That's why it's not that big.
Wow, it's a whole bunch of it. Alright guys, I'm gonna go harvest some jagung. Wow. Oh, there's a bug in there. Wow, jagung! My first harvest.
Peel it.
Okay. I peel it?
Yeah.
Oh, there's bugs. Here. My knees jagung or no?
It's seedling.
No. Wow, looks so sweet. Wow. Jagung. Wait. Okay, so we're going home now. We already brought every jagung over here, and we're gonna be makan. It's almost Jumat. We got some nasi over here. Nasi in there. We're gonna makan. Ayo. Okay, we got our little plate.
Aku yang mau makan.
Where's the spoon?
It's over there.
Where?
That's for the soup.
Oh, it's not dirty.
Give me wrong.
Ya, aku lagi nak bunda.
Here, show the soup. Soup in a can. Oh, tempeh.
Hari ini.
Alright, makan time. After all that hard work.
Mari, kita tunggu kan air besar sini.
What is this called?
Tahan air.
Lode? Lode. That's him that cooks it.
Oh wow. It's spicy. Panas.
Padas.
Panas.
Kan, kamu mau tak ambil no? Mau tak ambil no? Ya, ya. Oke. Sayang. Aku ke sana dulu. Mana yang kecil? Ini.
You have rice on your lip.
Kerupuk tak. Kerupuk.
Enak mangan di salah itu bener. Ya. Kamu kerupuk ah?
Okay, you ready? Wow, see, it looks really heavy. Wait, are you grabbing it or what? We're going home now. Mau pulang, ayo pulang. They're already getting ready. And yeah, we're gonna go home. We're done harvesting. We're done with everything. Sudah. And yeah, it's almost Jumat. So we gotta get home. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And stay tuned for more videos. Yay! Tada!